Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to watch videos on the Spotify. So if you want to watch videos on your Spotify, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the Spotify. Once you will search for it, simply you have to update your Spotify mobile application to your device. And once you will do it, here you will see Spotify, and make sure you have the premium version of the Spotify. Simply on the left top you will see a setting option. Just click on your profile and go to the settings and the privacy, and if this feature is available in your country, you will get video option. Simply you have to turn on the toggle on, and once you will turn the toggle on, simply you have to click on the search, and in the search bar you will get a podcast option. So simply you have to search for the any podcast from here, and if that podcast having a video, you can easily watch the video on the Spotify. So this is the simple way to watch videos on the Spotify. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.